Here we are at 917 West Berry in the Carnahan. You always wish for big, beautiful, sunny days when you're going to do a video, but it just won't stop raining. This is the Carnahan, and I'm just going to have to do the best I can do today. It's on West Berry Street. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we are at 917. We're going to take a look at apartment C downstairs. Come in through a beautiful foyer here. The hardwood floors, goes up to the stairs, nice foyer, and then the apartment is apartment C right here downstairs. Both of these doors will open for easy move-in and those kind of things. The floors have just been redone. They definitely have some character to them, but look at that shine. Nice big huge, let's see if I can get back far enough here. Nice big huge, oh there we go, huge living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, super tall ceilings, 10, 12, 14 foot. Always darkens up when I show into the windows, but look at that big, huge open window, the double doors coming in. Big and huge. This is technically, I guess, a one bedroom, but I would call it a studio. I call it a big glorified studio. Kitchen, ceramic tile, good fridge, good stove. You've got some shelves here. We're going to see the bedroom here in just a minute, but it needed a window. So there's the window. You've got good storage on either side for spices and those things. Your kitchen. Everything the kitchen needs in that 18 feet or so that's up there goes, that's where all that stuff you got when you graduated from school, like fondue pots and popcorn makers, because nobody knew what to get you. It is an all-electric unit, so it's electric stove, electric hot water, got the deep well sink. Electric heat, electric everything, good fridge. You can absolutely put a little bistro style table with a couple chairs there, and if you notice the lights are actually, you can adjust the heights by simply changing the tied knots in them. It is only a shower. You cannot stew in your own juices, sorry about that, but a little bathroom, the Euro sink. Little bathroom there, and then over into the bedroom. This is a clean floor, it's just character. Before we got here, somebody put down the tar paper, like roofing tar paper, and it just didn't get sanded up as well as we wish it would have. Your bed and your rug is going to cover it, but it's character, it's a good clean floor. The bedroom itself is pretty big, and there's your window. Remember, you needed a window to call it a bedroom. Ceiling fan, it's really nice, you can just pass beers right across from the kitchen. And then right here you also have a huge walk-in closet. See if I can do this. So there's my foot. Over here we've got some shelves, dressers. You've got the bar up above you. You've got some more shelves over here. And this is a great closet. I mean, a really good closet. So I'm at 917 West Berry. I'm in the Carnahan, which is a beautiful building. I'm in apartment C. I'm calling it a studio, but we might call it a one bedroom because of this. Oh, here's how you close the bedroom door. You ready? Ta-da! The closet door just doubles as your bedroom door. Then you've got a large living room. You're back over into the kitchen. We've got a great galley style kitchen, bigger than a galley. Bathroom with the shower only. And then back out into this beautiful, big, open living room with all this beautiful hardwood floors. We're on the ground floor. There's West Berry right there. This has been 917 West Berry in the Carnahan. It's a downstairs one bedroom, but let's call it a studio. Hardwood floors, all electric apartment. You have your own electric for gas, or excuse me, your own electric for water, hot water, heat, and your stove usage. That was a mouthful. All right, thanks for watching.